we're going to fire this bitch up. I'm going to show you, damn it, what I've done. All new plumbing on the 125cc motor. We did have a small leak right here where actually one of these did strip out just a tiny bit, mainly because they're too big of clamps and I couldn't get any smaller ones. It's kind of weird with these ABA clamps as far as I can get them a little too small or a little too big. Here's the radiator that's put in. It fits in really nice right in here. And I have my foam inserts and everything. It fits really nice. This is my Motion Pro, what do they call it, a capture bottle or something like that. If you get a chance to go on Motion Pro website, they have these, and they have a blue cloth sleeve that goes with it, which is Velcro, which is cool. This line right here is way too long, but I just put it on there to bleed all the air out of the system, because what you do is you start the motor, it gets hot, it starts to create pressure in the lines, and then what it does is look, let's just start the thing. I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to put the camera right here, pointed kind of at the bike, and then when I get it started, I'll grab the camera again. Put the camera on. Let's just say I'm going to put it right there. Okay, keys on. The ignition's on. Oops. Choke is on. Water pump down here is on. Now I'm going to kick this over, which is getting harder and harder because it sounds really good. Except for all the shit everywhere around here. There's the pump. The pump's on with that little red light. These clamps are working out pretty good. Pipe look good, sounds good. You can see how it goes from the back up under the panels. Panels aren't connected, so I'm going to drop the choke. good so far. Right there, about 150 to 60 degrees. Well, that's what she sounds like. Now I have to go in and tighten things up. I like to start the bike, stop the bike, let it cool down, tighten up the screws a little bit, maybe half a turn, something. This carburetor is not, for some reason, I'm leaking a little oil out of the back too for some reason. It's not working perfectly. But then again, this is a stock carburetor. I only put it on there to get a good reading on the engine to see if the engine is going to work okay. And you can see that's the fuel pump. It's got a little red light on the end, which I think is cool. You can see the red light, and you just flick it like this. Now, normally this will be put up in this position, but I constantly have to start it and stop it. There's my lights. Start it and stop it. So it's getting there. You can see the air bubbles there. They're coming up through the lines. They settle up here. Then they cause a pressure, and that pressure blows the fuel, or blows the antifreeze down into the line, which is, I know it's way too long, but once I put the panel on, I've got to decide just how and where that line is going to be, or maybe if I'll change to a smaller line. I'm not sure. Anyway, the bike does run so far, so I've got to turn this camera off, put some music on, and get back to work. Alright, hope you like it. DIOSpeedDEMON signing off.